To forward your customers' emails to Intercom, head to your settings here and select email. Enter your current support email address here. This is the email address you want your customers to use to contact you. And copy your forwarding address. This is an automatically generated address used just for forwarding to Intercom. Then, sign into your email provider and find settings for email forwarding. All you have to do is paste your forwarding address from Intercom like this. Then, head back over to Intercom, where we should have received an email with a verification link or code. Now, the exact instructions will vary based on the email provider you use. But in this case, we'll just hit this link and confirm. And back in Intercom, in email settings, hit validate email forwarding to check everything is in order. Bingo. If you have more contact addresses you need to forward emails from, click add email address and follow these steps again. By handling all your emails, not to mention live chat and all your other channels in the same place, you can enable your team to work as fast and as efficiently as possible.